Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my December Glossybox in this awesome box, so let's get in here and see if what's on the inside is just as awesome. Glossybox, and I say this every time, Glossybox does the best boxes. And I know, I feel like a kid at Christmas, how, you know, that you spend all that time picking the perfect present and then they love the box better. I don't love the box better, but I always love the box. They just did a special limited edition holiday box and it opened like this and it was magnetized. And now this one, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but the white and this pink here, they're glitter. And it's such a sturdy box. This one I might have to actually gift something in because it says best time of the year and that would make such an incredible gift box. So I might have to gift something in this one, but we'll see. Actually, it would also look good sitting back here. Anyway, you didn't come to see the box, so let's see what's on the inside. When I take off this beautiful lid, this is what the inside looks like. And also on the inside, it's always wrapped so nicely, tied with a ribbon. Says something. We're going to see what that says in a second. And best time of the year, that's our pamphlet, and it's going to tell us a little bit about everything that's on the inside. This box was gifted to me from Glossybox, and if you have any interest in it, I will put my link below. It will get you $5 off your first box. It is a $21 per month beauty box, so you would get $5 off your first box, so $16, unless you sign up for an extended time, and then the price actually comes down. All right, once I open it, ooh, that is what the inside looks like. It is chock full of goodies. And let's just dig right in. I'm gonna glass this up and see what the ribbon says to begin with. Best time of the year, best time of the year, best time of the year. That is so neat. So if you wrapped whatever you put in this box in this, and then it would make a really nicely wrapped gift. That's all I'm saying. Okay, digging into the bottom because I'm always drawn to the masks first. We have a smoothing coconut biocellulose eye mask from K-Glow. And that is what that looks like. And then we have a FX CBD lavender foot mask. My feet need to chill. They are really dry this season. It says it is 50 milligrams of CBD. I have absolutely no idea what that means in CBD world. And it says it is refreshing and relaxing. And that is what that looks like. The eye mask says that it is a K-Glow full-sized $6 eye mask, smoothing coconut biocellulose. This intensive all-around eye treatment includes naturally fermented coconut juice to smooth, nourish, and plump your skin. I love a targeted mask, something for under your eye or your lips, something like that. And I just read the ingredients and I can use this, so I am super excited. And the lavender foot mask, you could have actually received the one that I did, which is refreshing and relaxing, or you could have received a peppermint foot mask, which they say is cooling. They are from CBD FX, and it says containing premium quality broad spectrum hemp extract. This vegan-friendly foot mask is the perfect solution for restoring moisture and relaxation. $9.99. So what does the CBD really do? If you know the answer to that question, how about letting me know below, because I truly don't. I mean, I know that hemp oil and all of those oils, CBDs, that I don't know what they do. Do they really relax you? Have you found that they really relax you? Let me know below. Next we have a Nudestix, I can tell that, gel color lip and cheek balm. And that is the color that I received. That is what that looks like. And it says that it is full-sized. This seems short to me to be full-sized, but I don't really know Nudestix, but it says it's full-sized. It has a $26 value. It says gel color lip and cheek balm in Posh, because I'm posh. Rich in color, vitamin E, and plant oils, this dual-action ultra moisturizing balm provides a lovely, lightweight, velvety, smooth pigment for your lips and your cheeks. Okay, let's check out the color. Oh, it's a pretty color. That absolutely looks like a color I could wear. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. It's a little shiny. I'm not sure that I would use it on my cheeks, but that is gorgeous. I have on lipstick that I can't take off, or I would take it off and show you, but this is so pretty and moisturizing. Can you guys see the satin on that? It is so full of moisture. Wow. All right. I like it. Uh-oh, I seem to be missing a product. It says that we would have a Mind Tan Deluxe Mini Coffee Scrub. And that is what it looks like. And I don't have that in my box. I'm sure that if I called them, they would happily get one out to me. I have subscribed to Glossybox for forever. Before they started gifting it to me for review, I had subscribed to it, and I had, I think at one point, one palette that was broken, and I got a replacement in no time. So I know that if I let them know this was missing, they would send me one. But I don't think that for me, I will have them put a Deluxe Mini coffee scrub in the mail, but I'm sure if you subscribe, they would. But the paperwork says about it, revitalize your skin with this full body caffeine kick. Ground coffee exfoliates skin to help with dryness, flakiness, and more. The sweet almond and macadamia oils leave your skin glowing. And the travel size has a $15 value. And if it were full-sized, it would be $19.95. Next, I have the Youth to the People Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. Well, I am definitely intrigued. This time of year, I can use anything that says Deep Moisture Cream. I would say this is going to be a trial size too. That is what the bottle looks like. Let's read about it. And it says it is a Youth to the People Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream Deluxe Mini. This Deluxe Mini has an $18 value. The full size would have a $58 value. Formulated for dry, reactive, and sensitive skin. Next to dry, reactive, sensitive skin in the dictionary, there's a picture of my face. If there's not, there should be. This moisturizers, plant extracts, and peptide complex make for long-lasting hydration without clogging pores. Let me check the ingredients out on this really quickly. And I can use this, so let's swatch it. Oh, it's got a little seal on it. Oh, it's whippy. Yeah, it's really nice and light. I love the way that feels. It has very little scent. Yeah, very little scent. A little bit earthy, but just very little. Oh my goodness, my hand is just absorbing that right up. Well, I cannot wait to try this on my dry, reactive, sensitive skin because the back of my hand already feels like it's been exfoliated and pampered, and just from that little bit you just saw me put on it, wow. It says it has ashwagandha, reishi, and pentapeptides in it. I don't know what any of that means except for it's very smoothing. Last but not least, I have my precious. It is a Kristoff Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with sea salt. I use this, now that we're into winter, probably only once every couple of weeks. It is one of the few sea salt scrubs that is easy to get. Like, I take a big, you know what, I'll just show you. I take a big old chunk of it out and see how it's kind of really thick, and it's got, I hope you can see it, there's big chunks of salt in there, just huge, chunky, but it doesn't take much more than this, and you get your hands wet because you're in the shower, and I usually get it just all over my fingertips, and I work it into my scalp. Your hair will lather so well. I mean, a lot of scrubs don't have your hair lather as well. This lathers crazy well. I love the way it makes my hair feel. I do have to follow with a conditioner because it does rough your hair up just a little bit, but it takes everything out of it that you've been putting in it, and it smells so fresh and clean. I'll read to you about it, but I can already tell you it's awesome and I love it and I would highly recommend it. This is a 1.35 ounce, I'm going to assume Deluxe Mini. Yes, Deluxe Mini. I'm here to tell you, you will get, I mean, you guys can see, granted, my hair is very fine and thin. There's not a lot of it, but it is, I mean, it has gotten crazy long. I mean, it's just, but it's not real thick, but I probably get at least 6 uses out of this. During the summer, I probably use it once a week. During the winter, I probably use it once every other week. So it will give you a really good idea of whether you like it or not. And this Deluxe Mini has an $8.48 value. And if it were the full size, it would be 250 ml and it would be $53. This is 40 ml. I gave it to you in ounces because you know, American. 40 ml. And that is $8.48. And it says, restore balance to your scalp with this iconic scrub, suitable for just about every hair type and texture. It's amazing for cleansing, removing buildup, flakiness, and soothing sensitivity. Well, for all the sensitivity that I have on my face, I've been lucky enough to never really have any flaking, or it doesn't matter what I use on my scalp. I've never had, why would you put this out there, Kathrin? I've never had scalp issues up until probably tomorrow. So I can use almost anything, but I really love this. So that is the Glossybox for December 2020. That is all of it, except for I am missing the Mind Tan Coffee Scrub for your body, and that was a Deluxe Mini. But I got the Kristoff Robin, which I love, Salt Scrub for your hair. This Youth to the People, which, I mean, it sounds awesome for me. If you've ever used this, let me know below if you liked it, because that sounds really good. The Nudestix, which I cleaned the color off because I will get it all over me. But it was nice and satiny and shiny and kind of nude, so I suspect it will be just like an everyday run-of-the-mill thing for me. I like it. And 2 masks. We got a CBD lavender foot mask, and that could have been peppermint. And I got the K-Glow smoothing eye masks. This is a $21 per month box. Again, I will put my link below. It will get you $5 off your first box. If you have any questions, I am happy to help. Thank you so much for taking the time to come by. As I've been saying lately, I know this is a busy season and you guys have a million things going on. So while I appreciate it all year round that you guys come over and say hi and watch my videos, I really, really, really appreciate it now, because I know it is crazy busy out there. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.